Hello guys, today I'm going to review the FreeCube from AvatarControl. It comes with 4 modules and I bought this on Amazon. This one is the power module, the Bluetooth module, the lamp and the wireless charger. Sorry. The power module has 4 electrical sockets where you can connect all your devices, plus 3 USB port and the on-off switch. This has a magnetic top. This is the Bluetooth module. Basically you stack your Bluetooth on top of this one. I'll show you how to integrate this with my phone, and it's very easy. It's just like any normal Bluetooth connection. This is the lamp which understands hand gestures, and this is the wireless charger for iPhone 8 Plus and above. Now I'll show you different ways of using this. So you do not have to use all the 4 of them at the same time. You can decide, okay, today I want to use the power module and the Bluetooth speaker. And I can use my phone to get charged from here. So this puts my phone on charging mode. Plus now I'm going to connect my phone to this cube and play some song on this one. Just to show you guys how to use this, I'm going to YouTube.
The Powerball jackpot is over 300 million. Play now.
So as you see, this has pretty loud sound, and I think it's very good quality audio from coming out from this Bluetooth speaker. Now I can put this light lamp on top of it. This is the way to turn it on. If I want to increase the brightness, I just do this, and I can turn it off. Turn it on. It changes into the changing color mode now. Just bring your hand 2 times close to the lamp. It's going to change into the color mode. Now if you decide that you want the song,
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, rain in the street, gonna be a big man someday.
you can do 2 things at once. And this is the wireless charging station. Now look at this, how this lamp is going to turn on as soon as I put, and my phone is now on charging mode. So I don't know how to show you guys top of my phone, but maybe you can just hear the audio. Yeah, so that puts the phone in the charging mode. So overall you can use it all as a unit together, or you can decide, you don't want to use it and you can just use this too, for example.
Mud on your face, you big disgrace.
Or if you decide you don't want to use this, but you just want to use the lamp instead, right? You can turn it on, you can increase the brightness, so on and so forth. It also can be turned into music mode, where the light will change based on the music that's being played on the phone.